Was Newton's apple legend real? For gravity's discovery. Have you ever wondered if the story of Isaac Newton and the falling apple is true? This tale has been passed down through generations, but what really happened? The story is based on a real event, but it is often simplified. Newton himself mentioned that watching an apple fall made him think about why objects fall straight down. He began to wonder if the force that pulled the apple down could also affect the moon's orbit. This moment sparked his journey toward formulating the universal law of gravitation. This law explains how every mass attracts every other mass. The force of this attraction decreases as the distance between them increases. However, the apple incident was not a sudden moment of discovery. It was just the beginning of a long process of scientific thought and mathematical development. Newton spent many years refining his ideas. He built on the work of earlier scientists like Galileo, Johannes Kepler, and Robert Hooke. The story of the apple hitting Newton's head is more of a later embellishment. Historical evidence does not support that part of the tale. The apple tree at Woolsthorpe Manor, where Newton lived, is linked to this event. It remains a symbol of this important milestone in science. The apple story helped illustrate gravity as a universal force. This was revolutionary because it unified the physics of Earth and the heavens under one law. Newton's law of universal gravitation changed how we understand the world. It explained not only why objects fall but also how planets orbit the sun and moons orbit planets. This theory laid the foundation for modern physics and astronomy. It remained the accepted explanation of gravity until Albert Einstein introduced his theory of general relativity in the 20th century. In the broader context of milestones in cosmic and earth science, Newton's work represents a key moment. It combined observation, mathematical reasoning, and theory to explain natural phenomena that had puzzled humanity for centuries. The apple story, while simplified, symbolizes the innovative thinking that led to one of the most important scientific discoveries in history. So, while the apple legend may not be entirely accurate, it does highlight a significant moment in the story of gravity's discovery.